Laravel is a powerful PHP framework that can help you build complex web applications with ease. But mastering Laravel can be a challenge. In this video, we'll share some tips, tricks, and best practices to help you become a Laravel pro. First, let's talk about the importance of keeping your code organized. Laravel follows the model view controller architecture, which separates your code into 3 distinct layers. So, make sure to keep your code classes, views, and controllers organized. Second, take advantage of Laravel's built-in features like Eloquent ORM and Blade templates. Eloquent makes it easy to work with databases, and Blade gives you powerful templating options. Next, use Laravel's middleware to handle things like authentication, authorization, and caching. This will make your code more efficient and maintainable. Finally, make sure to test your code thoroughly. Laravel comes with PHP Unit, a powerful testing tool that can help you ensure your code works correctly. In conclusion, mastering Laravel takes time and practice, but by following these tips, tricks, and best practices, you'll be on your way to building awesome web applications in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Laravel tips and tricks.